Hi, my friend. This is Greg back with another stack of $20 bills. I hope we get some interesting ones here. And let's see what we can get as far as star notes and fancy bills. So, start off right on top here. We got some sixes, pair of sixes there. And let's see what else we can come up with. See if there's some cool numbers in this batch. So, yeah, I hope you've been doing well. You got ones and sixes up in my neighborhood here. There's been a lot of rain lately, and it looks like the next couple days we're going to get a lot of rain. So, well, I don't know if we can get. Sometimes you can get too much rain. We usually don't have a lot of flooding in the middle of the Midwest here where I'm located, but to where there's a damage, bridges taken out, and all the rest. So, in the springtime there is, but no, this is kind of cool. You got a 71 and a 71 there, but here in the middle of June, typically not. So, fives and ones right there. Oh, look at all the nines there, and a pair of threes on the end, of course. So, yeah, pair of ones, pair of sixes right on that one. Let me get this going. There you go. Pair of eights on this one. Yeah. My last stack was some nice stuff on that one. Zeros and fours. You wonder, should a guy count zeros? Comment. Let me know. It is pairs or three of a kind. So, kind of a neat deal. Let me know what your thoughts are there. So, here's a beat up bill, that's for sure. He's a 2017, and he's been in a lot of people's pants at the bar or something here. Pair of ones, pair of sevens. Well, now here we got fives and fours. It's kind of a neat little deal there. So, and what are we? Here's another really beaten one. Look at this guy. He's all crumpled up. Pair of sevens on him, though. He had a six on each side of the sevens there. That's kind of neat. Pair of threes. Another beat up bill. And look at all the eights we have here. 5 of them. Holy cows. This is a 2013. And for 13, he's not too bad a shape. I mean, he's obviously got the folds in him, But, yeah, I'm going to set him off to the side, actually. Yeah, that's a lot of numbers right there. Now, here on this bill here, what do we got? 50, 40, 20. Well, now here's something interesting. If you look at this would be a good birthday note, actually, to be honest with you. You got 5 May 4th, 2025. So if you know anyone who's been born along those dates or any other significant date, because that really could be a birthday note, truly. May 4th, 2025. Cool. I'm going to actually set this guy aside. He might be worth putting on eBay just to check him out, see if anyone would purchase that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think, how much I should try to get for that $20 bill. Maybe sell it for 30? Well, it'll be interesting. Let me know. Cool. I think I'm gonna do that. And what do we got here? Nothing. Not too much there. Pair of fives, a pair of zeros. That will be cool. I'm gonna list him just to see what he does. See what kind of interest level I get on it. So, yeah, pair of eights, pair of fours. Of course, as everybody knows, this week, Friday is Friday the 13th. Pair of eights here. How many of you people are superstitious on that day, huh? That's coming up. Be interesting to see what happens. Don't know if you want to make any big deals on that date or not. Well, we got a lot of sevens. There's 4 of them all together with 3 in a row. Look at this one is actually, now we got 3 5s, but there's one up there, and then we got 3 11s or 3 1s in there as well. Cool. 2 pair there. Now see, there's the 3 zeros. Should a guy even count those? And then you got the pair of 7s. So let me know in the comments what you're thinking. And while you're doing that, please do the subscribe thing. The subscribe, the comment, all the rest. Had to get that in there for you. And let's see what else we got here. Not much on that guy. Pair of 9s on the end there. Yeah. Oh, we got a pair of 8s there. I was talking with the teller, and I was asking him, one thing I don't see too much on $20 bills is uncirculated bills. That is one thing I don't see, and they said the same thing. They said they couldn't remember seeing any uncirculated $20 bills. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah, I don't, with 50s and 100s. Well, here's one for the 13th, Friday the 13th. You can spend that one at One Arm Bandit, see what happens. See what happens with that guy. But yeah, that's kind of interesting. 50s, I've gotten a ton of those. 100s, I've gotten them. I even did a video where I had, what was it, 4 consecutive Star Note $100 bills. So that was really cool. Really, really cool. So, what do we got here? Not much. Pair of 5s. And just a pair of 3s there. Pair of 3s again on the end. And a pair of 5s is all that's on that one. So I hope you're got a good weekend planned out this upcoming weekend. Oh, and look at there. The Star Note. Yes. The one I've been searching for. And what do we got here? 2017 typical folded $20 bill. Nothing really stands out about this guy. I mean, the borders are not too goofy. Obviously a well-used 20. And yeah. By the way, the last Star Note I got was not a very rare one, and I'm going to check up on this one as well. So, cool. We got our typical 1% of the Star Note, so that's cool. Cool. Anyway, well, I will keep right on going here and see if we can find any more. And not much on that one. 3 7s there, 2 5s, not much on that one. And here we got just a pair of 3s, nothing big. Deuces, pair of 9s, pair of 6s on this guy. Got a lot of pairs, a couple 3 of a kinds, as you noticed before. 3s and 6s there. Side by side pairs again. 9 and 7s. Very good, very good. Yeah, please share my link with people. Let them know what I'm doing here, counting money all day long. See if they like that too. So, appreciate it. And what else do we have here? It's a pair of 7s, nothing major. And of course, there's 3 of a kind. I like those. And there's 3 3s and a pair of 4s on the end. Nice full house there, if you will. Pair of 6s. I got 4s. Nothing too major about him. And a pair of fours. This guy, I don't know if you can see the tape on him. He's terrible shape. Didn't do a very good job taping him, as you can see. Anyway, not much with him. Pair of fours. Look at all the eights on this. This is the older bill. One of the bigger, or older bills, I should say. Nice find. You got 3 4s and 2 7s right there. Pairs side by side. Cool, cool. And again, look at here. 1 2 3. You got 3 pairs side by side. 9s all over the place on that one. So very good. We did good. We got us a star note, of course. A star note. And I got this one with all the 8s. And this birthday note, I'm kind of curious to see what he might bring me on eBay. So I think I'll do that with this one. I'll have to let you know if anyone was interested in buying them. And yeah, cool. Thank you so much, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye.